Now I've taken one button mushroom. So just cut the edge. You can use this as well. And one mushroom shall be cut in 6 pieces. Shouldn't be too small or too big. Around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Little bit of butter. Once the butter is melted, add in the garlic. Around 3 to 4 garlic. Now grate some ginger. Wait for it to turn little brown. The gas flame is full. Now you can see the edges have turned brown. We'll add in the onion. This is one big onion. You can take 2 medium onions or 3 small. Saute them. The heat is high. Add in the corn and peas as well. After sauteing for about 2 minutes, turn the flame to medium and let's cover it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid. We do not want it to cook completely. Now I'll add in some red chili powder. I'm adding about a tablespoon of red chili. You can adjust as per your taste. In go the mushrooms. These are about 20 to 25 mushrooms. Turn the heat to high and let's start sauteing the mushrooms. Soon mushroom will start releasing water. Keep it on high heat till the mushrooms become dry back. After sauteing for about 7 minutes, you can see the water started drying up. Yeah. Now this is the time when we'll add in some salt. about 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's try this. Red chili powder. This is optional. Oregano. Ensure the heat is always on high. It's almost right now. Now I've lowered the flame and let's add some cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese or processed cheese. You can even turn off the gas now and stir it a bit. Once the cheese is melted, we'll keep it aside to cool down. We'll butter the bread first.